Hello everyone, I'm Vishal. I've been practicing Leetcode questions for past couple of days, so I thought of uploading a video also while I practice. So if you're interested, you can practice along with me. So today we'll do a question to sum, in which array of integers is given, which is nums, and an integer target is given. What we have to do, we have to return indices of two numbers such that they add up to a target. For example, we are given nums 2, 7, 11, 50. Target is 9. So we have to return any two elements, indices of that two elements, such that those two elements add up to 9. For example, here 2 and 7 add to 9. So we return their indices 0, 1. Brute force approach can be iterating through the whole array. For example, we are on first element, that is zeroth index, and for zeroth index that is 2, and if we see target minus 2 is 7, so we need 7 uh, to from the rest of the elements. So if we are at 2, we will check the rest of the elements if 7 is there. So uh, if found, then we'll return the index of both of them. So likewise, we'll check for every other element. So this would be the brute force approach. But if we are checking for every element, we are iterating through the whole array again. So it requires a nested loops. So it is O of n square time complexity. So it is very high. So to optimize, what we can do, we can take an unordered map. Let's take an unordered map in comma int. Let's call it empty. A vector to return the answer. Let's store the size of nums in size. So first, what we'll do that first we'll create the hash table. Create the hash table in the map we have taken. So a map is basically key value pairs. So what would be our key value pairs? Key would be the element, and the value would be the index. So let us first fill the hash table. How would we fill? Let us iterate through each element first. MP of nums I equal to I. So MP of nums I is element. Nums I is our element at ith index. So we are giving the key value pairs as element MP of element equal to its index. So this loop would fill the hash table. Alright. Next, what we'll do, we'll find the complement. Find the complement. We'll again take a loop, same loop, for finding the complement. Complement is target minus the element that is num side. So now we have found the complement. Now what we need to do is we need to check if the complement exists in the our hash table, our already created hash table, uh, if the complement exists there or not. Because if it exists, then only we'll get our the other pair which adds up to the target. So for checking if the complement exists or not, we have a condition in maths like mp.find complement, and if this thing does not find, it will reach to mp.end, and if it does not reaches to mp.end, then it means that it has found our element. So what would be our condition? If mp.find mp.find complement is not equal to mp.end, because if it's equal to mp.end, then it means that it has not found. And there's one more condition we need to check, that MP of complement must not be equal to I. Because like if the element is 7 suppose, so complement would be 7. So this would just return that same index element. We need a pair, but so for this we need this condition also. If both of these conditions are true, then we get a true complement pair. So we got a true complement pair, then just push it in the answer. Answer dot push back complement. Notice we have to push the index, so we are writing MP of complement. MP of complement is the complement is the key, and MP of complement gives its value, that is the index of the complement. Next, we have to push the current address. So the push back, and we also have to break the loop when we have found the complement. Coming out of the loop, we just have to return. Now let us run this. It is accepted. Let us try to submit. Yeah, so it is accepted. All right. Thank you for watching.